If you have used Dettol bar soaps in the past, whether now or before, okay, you would agree with me that they are so good and they are a staple in our skincare and also our body care routine. That is the reason why I'm breaking down 6 very good bar soaps from Dettol that would help to cleanse your skin, get rid of dirt, get rid of germs, and also give you that healthy glow that you're hoping to achieve. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and over here we discuss everything that has to do with skincare, body care, feminine hygiene, or anything that a lady has to know. I bring it on here, okay? Any product that is trending and the one that is not trending, that is very healthy, I bring it up here and we talk about it. And if today is the very first day you're seeing me, you are welcome. Remember to subscribe. Subscribing to this channel is absolutely free. Do not leave this video without subscribing. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. And to my OGs and my returning subscribers, welcome to another video. Now, in this very video, I'm going to be talking about strictly on Dettol bar soaps. I have with me 6 amazing Dettol bar soaps that I would like to tell you people what they are for, who should use, why you should use, and what they specifically do for your skin. So the very first one that I'm going to tell you is the men Dettol bar soap, okay? This particular one right here is very amazing. It has been in the market for the longest. I used this growing up as a child, even when I go back then to school, okay, in boarding house. This was my go-to bar soap. It was very good because it would help to cleanse your body properly. It would help to get rid of sweat, odor. If you are struggling with body odor, or if you have a child who is struggling with body odor from school, this is the one that I will highly recommend. It gets rid of germs, and you know, as kids or as human beings, we touch lots of surfaces around, okay, during the day or as our daily activities are going by, and this particular bar soap helps to thoroughly cleanse your body, make your body to be clean, free of germs, dirt, and impurity. It does not brighten or do anything to your skin. It just makes sure that your skin is fresh, especially if you had a very long day. There are kind of days that we have, okay? Maybe I went to the market, or probably I went out to somewhere that is very unusual of me. I would know that when I come back from that particular place, I am supposed to thoroughly cleanse my skin, and this is the one that I usually reach out to. So the second one I'm going to be telling you is the Dettol Cool. If you're already here by the name cool, meaning menthol, okay? So if you are someone that is struggling with heat rashes, your body is always itching you, when you step out, you come back, your body will be itching, you'll be scratching non-stop, this is the one that I will recommend for you because it contains menthol that will help to calm your skin, calm that thing that is making your body to be upset or for your body to itch you in the first place. This is also very suitable for teenagers that are growing up and also adults that usually function properly in the market. If you know that you're a trader or you are someone that normally steps out and you interact with people, you come in contact with people, body fluids, body sweat, okay, you would definitely need this one in your routine because it contains menthol that will keep your body fresh. You're going to be feeling fresh when you bathe with this particular one. It doesn't also brighten or do anything to the skin. It just helps to keep your body so fresh because of the menthol that it contains. I personally use this one myself, and I can tell you it is so good. It actually serves better as a pre-cleansing bar soap. When I go out there and after interacting with people, I come back, I use this to bathe, and after that, I will go ahead to use my men bar soap that is targeted for brightening or, you know, softening the body, okay, making my body to be more softer. I will now go ahead to use that particular one to now have my second wash. I always recommend Dettol bar soaps for first wash or pre-cleansing in the shower because of the powerful ingredients that it contains that makes your body to already be clean, because that is the main purpose of pre-cleansing. So the third Dettol bar soap that I'm going to tell you about today is the Dettol Skincare bar. I was one of the creators that raved about this particular bar soap here on YouTube and even on TikTok. It was that good, okay? I am a Dettol Skincare bar girly, and it is very effective. I remember convincing lots of my friends to use this particular bar, and they came back to tell me that they cannot just stop using using this bar soap. If you use one, you will keep on repurchasing because it is that good, okay? It contains lemongrass oil and glycerin, and trust me, if you're a skincare girly that is on a tight budget, you don't have money to buy expensive cleansers, you don't have money to buy expensive beauty bar soaps, and you're looking for that particular bar soap that will act as a facial bar for you, okay, this is the one that I will recommend. If you're an acne girly, you are dealing with acne, and you are looking for that bar soap that is also very good and suitable for acne skin, acne prone skin, this is the one that I will recommend for you because I'm an acne prone skin girly and I personally use this particular bar soap. It cleanses my skin very well, and not just my skin, like when it comes to my face, it also cleanses my body so well, okay? I use it as a pre-cleansing bar, and trust me, my skin feels very, very good anytime I go ahead to use particular bar soap on my skin. It is that good. Next is the Dettol Even Tone bar soap, okay? There was a time that the Dettol skincare became very scarce for some reasons I don't know. Then I leaned forward to start getting the Dettol Even Tone. This particular one contains apricot seed, which focuses on exfoliating the skin so well. So if you know that your skin is very tough, your skin is very rough, your skin is flaky and ashy, okay, and you're looking for that particular bar soap that would help to exfoliate your skin, you don't want to use any physical scrub, this is the one that I will recommend for you because of the apricot seed. Most of the body scrubs that we use these days contains apricot, okay, and apricot focuses on exfoliation, so this particular one will exfoliate your skin. But if you know that your skin is very, very soft and tender, then you will not get this one because it will over exfoliate your skin and then leave your skin to be very dry, okay, drier than it used to be. But if you know that your skin has dead skin cell living on its surface, your skin hardly exfoliates, and you're looking for that gentle daily exfoliator that you can get in place in a bar soap form, then this particular one is the one that I will advise that you get. It is very, very good, trust me. The next is the Dettol Even Tone Pink Glow, and like you can see, I have a very big smile on my face. That is to tell you that this particular one is very, very good, okay? This particular one, I have also used it myself. In fact, I have used most of the Dettol variants. That is the reason why I'm coming down to make this video for you guys. So this particular one is very good, okay? This one equals waking up with a glowy skin, trust me. If you use a particular one, okay, you are going to be waking up with a brighter and a glowy skin. This particular one also leans towards skincare, okay? It focuses on brightening your skin. It focuses on making sure that your skin is glowy, that your skin is radiant, that your skin is, brighter than the way it used to be. It also contains apricot seed, okay, but in a lower quantity than the Dettol Even Tone. The particular one helps to exfoliate your skin and also leave your skin feeling so lush, okay? Your skin is going to thank you later if you get this one as a skincare girly. And then the last one is the Dettol Herbal, okay? The particular one, just as you can already hear from the name, it is a herbal soap that gives you that fresh skin when you are out of the shower. The herbs that it contains makes it to be very gentle. So if you have a very sensitive skin and you're looking for that Dettol bar soap that you can incorporate into your routine that will not upset your skin or irritate your skin, then I would advise that you lean towards the Dettol Herbal. But like I mentioned earlier, this particular one is not for skincare, okay? It does not brighten, whiten, lighten, okay? It just only cleanses your skin properly and gives you a fresh skin. If you want to achieve a very fresh skin that does not have much fragrance, then this is the one that I would advise you to get in the market. Most of you always ask, can I use my Dettol bar soaps on your face? And then my answer is a big yes. You can use your Dettol bar soaps on your face because they are gentle for your skin. But if you know that your mind cannot really carry it, you don't want to test, you don't want to, then go ahead to still use your cleansers and then use them as your pre-cleansing bar soaps or as your main bar soaps, just as the case might be. Trust me, if you use the Dettol bar soaps and bathe and then lock in moisture with a very good body lotion and body oil, your skin is going to be glowy and your skin is going to be radiant. And there you have it, my loves. These are the 6 Dettol bar soaps that I feel like you should get one, okay, and add into your routine. If you're a skincare person, you already know the one to get the Dettol Skincare or the Dettol Even Tone, or you can also get the Dettol Even Glow, okay, that would help to, level up your skincare journey. But if you know you're not a skincare person, you're looking for a bar soap that you can get for your teenagers, your kids, or yourself, you just want something that will just cleanse your skin properly and give you a fresh looking skin, then you can lean towards the other three, okay, like the Dettol Herbal or the main Dettol or the Dettol Cool, okay. If you have watched particular point of the video, do not leave this video without subscribing, like, share, leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you have tried any of the Dettol bar soaps, the one you have tried, how it worked out for you, so that people will know that we're not just capping, we are seeing real facts. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.